So I recently just got back from Miami and I bought this Summer's Friday jet lag mask. It's the mini version because I'm traveling. I want to keep things small and tight and not too much weight because my clothes, I always overpack, and let's just say we need them small. But this Summer's Friday jet lag mask is super nice. You don't have to wash it off. All you do is you put it on your super creamy. You put it on your face. I'm doing morning stuff, so I'm not going to do it right now, but you put it on your face. You just rub it in, super thick, but not like pore clogging. I love it. Doesn't have a scent, which I actually love because scents can bother my face sometimes. And yeah, you put it on. If you want to, you can just damp your face with a warm washcloth afterwards, or you can just leave it on. Yeah, you don't have to take this off. Just hydrates. Really great when you're flying, hence the name Jet Set. Or is that what it is? Jet Set? I don't even know. Jet lag, my bad. Jet lag. I really like it. I have very sensitive skin, so I try and use very good products that do not cause breakouts, that do not clog my pores or make me get red and irritated because I do have like eczema. So I absolutely love this stuff. I just got it, clearly, but I've used it twice now. Super good.